In this video, we'll cover the basics of generating reports from your SmartMatchApp database. Reports are a versatile tool meant to gather any data from your system and present it in a table similar to Excel. This makes it simple to view, filter, and sort essential information like due matches, events, tasks, media usage, and more. Let's start. First, you'll want to head over to the Reports section from your menu sidebar. Click Plus Report. Give this report a name. Select the appropriate entity for the report. Keep in mind that entities can vary depending on the nature of the report you're looking to generate. In a gist, client will generate reports based on your client's profile. User will generate reports based on the agency user's activities or performance. Match will generate reports surrounding your client's match activities. The timeline will generate reports based on your agency's digital footprints or activities. Events will generate reports based on your agency's events. And lastly, event participant generates reports based on the attendees of your events. Once you've selected the appropriate nature of the report you're in need of, click Create. In this example, let's say you want to find out how many of our clients are listed as active client under their membership type, which is a custom field in a client's profile. Therefore, you'll want to select Client under the entity and click Create. You'll be taken inside the report. Of course, the basic information is to have the client's names first. So, do the next steps. Click Add Columns. From the data source, select the most appropriate nature of the data you're generating a report for depending on the selected entity. Let's explore our options. Client Basic Info lists the basic information of your clients such as their names, email addresses, locations, and the likes. Client Profile lists all of the custom profile fields you've added to your database. Client Preferences refer to your client's match preferences. Client Media refers to your client's photos and videos. Client Contract refers to the details of your client's contracts. Client Schedule will generate your client's schedules of matches, durations, statuses, and notes. Client Intro refers to your client's intros sent and received. Client Matches refers to your client's match activities. Client Timeline refers to your client's activity history or digital footprints inside your SmartMatchApp CRM. Client Notes refer to your client's notes left by you as the matchmaker. Client Events refer to your client's event histories. For those who have Member Portal add-on activated, you can also generate reports based on the connections made by your clients by selecting Member Portal connections, feed posts, comments, and likes using the Member Portal feed data source, and lastly, the count and dates of chats that occurred inside the Member Portal by selecting Member Portal chat in the data source. The most basic information here would be the names of our clients, so let's select Client Basic Info under Data Source. Now, we'll want to select full name from the list of drop-down. You can also do first name and last name separately, but for easier viewing, we'll select full name instead. Click Add. Now let's update the report by clicking this blue Update button here. This will now show all of your clients' full names. Now, let's add more information by doing the same steps we just did. Since we're looking to generate a report to find out how many clients we have are listed as active clients under their membership type, which is a custom profile field in our database, we'll want to click Actions and Add Columns. This time, from the data source, we'll want to select Client Profile since membership type is a custom field in a client's profile. Under Attribute, select the custom field membership type and click Add. Of course, you'll want to hit Update once again to include this column in your report. This time, we'll add filters. This is basically building your report based on the information you want generated. Since we're now showing all of our clients' membership types, but are only looking for those who are listed as active client, we'll do a filter. So click on Actions and select Add Filter. This is basically like doing an advanced search on your report, narrowing down the data that you're looking for. In this example, we'll want to do an advanced search for membership type that is equivalent to active client. Click Save. Just the same, click the blue Update button to update the report with the recently selected information. And voila! It now gives us the report we need. From this report, we found out that we have a total of 19 clients who are listed as active clients under their membership type, and it lists all of their names in this report here. Some pro tips to keep in mind: you need to click Update to get fresh data every day before viewing the report. You can sort each column of the report to view it in ascending or descending order. You can drag and drop the columns in the report to view it in the desired order. You can delete the report by clicking the Actions Delete Report. If you find this video helpful, please don't forget to press the like button and share it with your fellow matchmakers. Until next time.